In this tutorial, we will use Move tool. Move tool is used to move image from one window to another window. To move an image, first click on File menu, click on Open, select Image, click on Open. Now click on Move tool and drag the image from this part to new window. To resize this image, click on Show Bounding Box, which is located on the option bar. After that, click on Corner Nodes, that is display as a small rectangular way, then drag it. You can resize with the help of these nodes. If you want to increase size, then again drag. Inside means decrease size and outside means increase size. If you want to rotate this image, cursor mode will be arrow. That time you can ready to rotate. To save this rotation, you have to press Enter key from keyboard. You can also change the mode. Just click on nodes. After that, right click, click on skew. You are ready to skew this image when you select skew. To save, press Enter. Next is perspective. Press Enter key. So you can use different types of effects with the help of Move tool. But before that, you have to select the part of your image and click on right and select which effects you want. In this dialog box, there is flip horizontal, flip verticals, etc. So you can flip your image also. To display flip effects, click on File, select Open, select Image, click on Open. Now move this image to new window. Then create duplicate layer, click on Layer, Duplicate Layer, type name, click on OK. Now click on nodes, right click, flip horizontal. See. Press Enter key. If you want flip vertical, then again click flip vertical. It will be like this.